Welcome to Esolish, English for Work and Life.
Today, we will learn about Holi. It is a festival from India. Holi is a special day. It is called the Festival of Colors. People feel happy.
Holi happens in March. It comes in spring, when the weather is nice.
On Holi, people throw colors, sing, and dance.
People eat sweets and snacks. Some foods are called gujia and samosa.
Holi is fun. Play with colors. Be kind, and be safe. Now it's your turn. What colors do you like? Write your answer in the comments below.